slow cooker Tom Kha Gai. Ingredients: 3 lemongrass stalks, tough outer layers removed. 3 cups low sodium chicken broth, store-bought or homemade. 1/4 cup fish sauce. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 2-inch pieced fresh galangal or ginger, peeled and thinly sliced. 6 kaffir lime leaves, halved, or 6 strips lime zest with a vegetable peeler. 1 shallot, thinly sliced. 3 Thai bird chilies. 1½ pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into 1/2-inch strips. 4 ounces shiitake mushrooms, stemmed, thinly sliced. 1 can, 13.5 ounces, unsweetened coconut milk. 1 large carrot, finely chopped. 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro plus more for garnish. 2 tablespoons chopped Thai basil, plus more leaves for garnish. 1 scallion, thinly sliced. Chili oil sauce, for serving. Directions: preheat a 4-quart slow cooker. On a cutting board, using the side of a chef's knife, lightly smash lemongrass. Combine lemongrass, broth, fish sauce, sugar, galangal, lime leaves, shallot, chilies, chicken, and mushrooms in the slow cooker. Cover and cook on high until chicken is cooked through, about 2½ hours, or on low for 5 hours. Add coconut milk and carrot, and cook on high 30 minutes longer, or on low for 1 hour. Stir in lime juice, cilantro, basil, and scallion. Top with cilantro and basil, and serve with chili oil sauce. Chili oil sauce, a mixture of ground dried chilies, soybean oil, garlic, and sesame oil, is sold in Asian markets and even mini supermarkets. It can be used in any recipe that calls for red pepper flakes.